Once upon a time, there's a princess swan swim to the lake. She looks very nice if she eat worm from the lake. All of the worm around her is disappear. One day, one of the prince swan come out from the grass. He hide always because he have a lot of food there where he hiding. But it's happened one day, all of worm and insects disappear. That's why he tried to go out so he can catch his own food. That day, he met the princess swan. He looked at her eyes and asked, "What's your name?" She answered him back, "My name is Princess Swan Toy Toy." "What about you?" He answered her back, "I'm Prince Swan Luck." They swim and talk together, enjoy each other and make more fun, and build their own family, and have more baby swan come. They live ever after. Sweet swan ever.